Well, the holiday season is upon us, this time of year when elastic waistbands become our best friends and mashed potatoes seem to whisper, "More butter, please." But this year, I decided to wage a preemptive strike against the inevitable Thanksgiving to Christmas waistline expansion. This recipe is as tasty as it is waistline friendly. Our green goddess dressing. All it takes is just a few ingredients and our little mini food processor here. I'm going to show you just how easy this recipe is. So here we go, we're going to put everything into the food processor. So I've already got my 1/8 cup of lemon juice and my avocado, which has been pitted and just cubed. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of kefir, and this is the drinkable kind, it's not the kind that you eat. I've got 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic here. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of mustard. Now I've got a tablespoon of rice vinegar here, but I might just add another tablespoon. I'm going to taste it first and see if it needs it. I've got some salt. And here I've got defrosted herbs. I've got some parsley and basil, and I've got 1 cube. These are top hits, and I really love using these because it results in 0 wastage. We always seem to throw out herbs when we get them fresh. This will taste just as good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the top on and I'm going to blend this until it's smooth, and we're going to serve it on salad. It's as easy as that. One word of warning before you load up your food processor is to put the blade in first, which I forgot to do. So I had to offload everything into this measuring cup here. So I'm just going to add it back in. Now we can add our lid. Make sure it's good and tight, and we can blend it up. Blend until smooth. Unplug your food processor, and then always give your food a taste to see if it needs anything more. I think that's really good. It's nice and creamy. I'm not going to actually add anything at this point because I think it has really good balance, but give it a taste and see what you think, and feel free to add whatever you like to make it your own. So let's go put this on a salad, and basically you're just going to raid your fridge for whatever you have. So we have things like mushrooms, peppers, olives to give it a bit of a salty flair. We've also got some skewers of chicken for protein, and also some goat cheese, which might seem weird if you have chicken, but it does taste delicious. So there you have it. By the way, my favorite play is Wicked, so it only felt right to give this green dressing a nickname that's just as enchanting. Around here, we call this our Wicked Good Green Dressing. So call it what you will, doesn't matter what you call it, it'll be just as delicious. By the way, if you're really good until Christmas, you can treat yourself to these amazing reindeer ice cream sandwiches. They're a tasty treat you're not going to want to miss. You can check out more recipes, upcycling projects, crafts, and DIYs in the links below, or visit the birdsofafeather.ca website to search hundreds of unique tutorials just like this.